How to make grilled chicken like the restaurants. We dry the chicken as shown to get the best leveling and delicious crunch. Add a tablespoon of salt. And we distribute the salt all over the chicken. Prepare the sauce for the chicken. Mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, ketchup, a little mustard. Add a tablespoon of garlic powder. Add a tablespoon of curry. Chicken seasoning. Turmeric. French cheese seasoning. Mandy chicken seasoning. Barbecue seasoning. Pickle water. Salt. Mix all ingredients well. Marinate the chicken with the sauce for 4 hours in the fridge or a whole day. Cover and leave in the fridge for 4 hours. Then we take the chicken out of the fridge and put it in the air fryer. Brush the chicken with vegetable oil. We put the chicken in the air fryer at 160 degrees for 90 minutes, stirring the chicken every 30 minutes. We cook rice. Vegetable oil. Each cup of rice corresponds to a cup and a half of water. Chicken stock cubes. Salt. Soak the rice for 10 minutes. When the water and oil boil, add the soaked rice. We mix with a spoon. When the water dries up from the rice, we reduce the heat. Wow, it's delicious rice. Prepare a mixture of noodles, carrots, and peas. Heat the vegetable oil in the frying pan. We add noodles. Add carrots and peas. Salt. Curry. Darson seasoning. Mix well. Add 2 cups of water so that the water level covers the ingredients. After 90 minutes, the chicken is done. Look at the quality of the food being cooked. It's delicious and healthy. Preparation of the main dish. At the end of the video, we gave you the best recipe for grilled chicken on rice. Thanks for watching.